Hello, welcome back. Do I have the tutorial for you? It's the simplest, quickest updo, and all you'll need is one hair elastic. Let's get started. Begin by placing your hair elastic on your right wrist. Then gather all of your hair into a low ponytail, and don't forget those face framing pieces. Now, evenly divide your ponytail into two, a left and a right, and tie them together by crossing your right section over your left, and this will create a hole, and then flip your left section up and pull it all the way through nice and tight. Now, try to keep your knot right against your head and then create a second knot, again by crossing your right section over your left and then pulling your left through nice and tight. Then flip that bottom knot to the top and hold it against your head. And if your ends are quite long like mine, then cross the ends on your right under to the left side and the ends on your left under to the right side. Now hold all of your bun tightly against your head with your right hand and slide your elastic over your entire bun and then loop it around one more time if you can. And then pinch and pull on the sides of your knots to fan them out. And for a more formal appearance, repeat around the sides and the crown, mostly focusing on the crown. Now, tightly twist your ends together and tuck them into your elastic underneath. And then I like to pull out some small pieces from those ends for a more effortless look. And then I just touched up my face framing pieces. What a beautiful and simple updo. I told you it was quick and easy. I can't wait to hear what you think. This is definitely going to be my go-to all summer long. But I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will link some similar hair tutorials in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!